Hey guys, so we're really excited to introduce CodeIgniter as part of our training. So CodeIgniter is one of the many PHP-based frameworks that you can use, and it's really powerful. It's very easy to install, very lightweight, very fast. So we've been using it, and our learning platform is also built using CodeIgniter framework. So we know you will like it as well. One of the benefits of using CodeIgniter is you can use it on shared hosting plan. You don't need a virtual or dedicated servers to run this, so it's really nice. There are other frameworks for PHP like Zen, CakePHP, Symfony, and they're really good as well. But again, I think CodeIgniter is something that's really powerful, very fast, and very easy to install. So we're going to use that as part of our training. So we feel strongly that every professional web developer needs to know how to use a framework, and once you know how to use one framework, it's really easy to switch to another framework. Using CodeIgniter, after you learn CodeIgniter, if you want to switch to like Python, Django framework, or Ruby on Rails, it's not going to take you a lot of time. It's going to be pretty easy for you. Maybe it will take you a few days to switch to that. And another few days to get more familiar with how those framework works. But CodeIgniter, we like it, and it's going to teach you how to use MVC framework, which we'll explain more in the videos. Now here's something we want you to do. CodeIgniter has really good documentation, so we're just going to refer you to the documentation, and as you go and read the documentation, like install it and watch our video, we actually install from scratch CodeIgniter, and we walk you through. So watching that video is going to help you a lot. But as you watch and read the documentation on CodeIgniter, don't get yourself overwhelmed. There are a lot of things out there in the documentation that you're never going to use again. So on the bottom of the video, again, you just gotta scroll down. We list all the pages in CodeIgniter that we think you just have to read in order to get started. So just read those. Don't even worry about any other links. Okay, just read those, watch our videos, and see how we set up CodeIgniter from scratch. Follow the exact same thing that we're doing in the video, and then work on the assignments. I mean, the bulk of your time is going to be spent on working on the assignments, but that's the only way that you're really going to learn how to use an MVC framework. And if you spend good 15 hours of work using CodeIgniter, you're going to be a much better developer. So enjoy, and again, if you get stuck, and do your research if you can solve it. If you can't, reach out to one of the mentors or your mentor, and will help you get going to the next direction. Okay? Sounds good. Have fun.